The FKZ GMK87 is making waves in the custom keyboard community, and for good reason. This bare-bones kit offers a ton of features for the price, making it an attractive option for both beginners and experienced keyboard enthusiasts. First off, let's talk about the aesthetics. The GMK87 boasts a clean, tinculus design, which is a popular layout for its compact size and ergonomic benefits. The case itself feels solid and well-built. The model we're looking at today is the black version, which has a sleek, understated look that will fit well on any desk. But the real magic of the GMK87 lies in its customizability. It's a hot swappable board, meaning you can easily change out the switches without any soldering. This is a huge plus for those who like to experiment with different switch types to find their perfect feel and sound. The board also features south-facing RGB lighting, which provides vibrant and even illumination for your keycaps. One of the standout features of the GMK87 is its integrated TFT LCD screen and rotary knob. The screen can be customized to display various information, such as system stats, custom images, or even animated GIFs. The knob can be programmed to control volume, brightness, or any other function you desire.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.